In this video, we are going to talk about the world's largest trucks and trailers. We are sure that we'll maintain your excitement level same till the end. So, let's not wait anymore and start our video. Transports Noroccidental. Transports Noroccidental is an enterprise with the main office in Quito. The enterprise operates in the general freight trucking industry. The company was established on September 24, 1992. Noroccidental Group lead the market of heavy and extra heavy loads transport, fluid suction and transport, lifting machinery rental, and specialized assemblies. This big heavy machinery you are watching on the screen has a big metallic structure. And you guys know what a metallic structure helps in? Well, let us tell you. It provides high resistance, balance, elasticity, and durability. All of these are essential for a metallic structure to be perfect. The machine on the screen has had a great hand in the refining project, where the Refinery Repowering Project is an integrated gasification combined cycle Incheon IGCC plant which will generate electric power and steam using petroleum coke produced at the adjacent refinery. Transportation of tube. Have you ever wondered that not very big machine is a vehicle, so how can such heavy and huge machines are transported from one place to another? And not only machines, but there are plenty of huge equipments like tube well, pipes, and other heavy machinery which are not mobile. So how do they get transported where they are required? Well, these machines and equipments are transported through the large train trucks that are way too much long in length and surface area. These train trucks vary according to the equipment they are transporting, such as if they are transporting pipes, then they will choose truck with long length, or if they are moving any crane, so they will choose vehicle according to its dimensions. There are several different machines that even we aren't aware of, which are too huge, can also be transported easily. Transporting huge dredging ship. Marine life having commercial value. The excavation is undertaken by a specialist floating plant, known as a dredger, and the key tool to excavate is one of the variety called the suction dredger. And to be specific, a cutter suction dredger's suction tube has a cutting mechanism at the suction inlet. The cutting mechanism loosens the bed material and transports it to the suction mouth. The dredged material is usually sucked up by a wear-resistant centrifugal pump and discharged either through a pipeline or to a barge. Cutter suction dredgers are most often used in geological areas consisting of hard surface materials, where a standard suction dredger would be ineffective. Exceptional convoys. Convoy Exceptional Limited has been in the business of abnormal load permits and escort vehicles for 40 years. They provide the UK and European abnormal load permits, police notifications, dispensations including self-escort car services, and where necessary route surveys for wide loads, heavy loads, and long loads on behalf of their clients. When we transport cargo that cannot be loaded on a normal truck since the dimensions do not fit the road profile, regular transportation is when the cargo does not expand over 2.48 meters in width, 13.6 meters in length, 3 meters in height, and 25 tons of weight. When the cargo surpasses those dimensions, it requires a modified vehicle, which does not always imply that it is defined as irregular or oversized transportation. Exceptional transport is transportation of one piece of cargo, which surpasses at least one of the following dimensions, including the vehicle has 2.55 meters in width, 16.5 meters in length, 4 meters in height, and 40 tons of weight. Fabris Maran. This is the vehicle for the cable bundle transportation. Now you might be thinking, why do we need a vehicle to transport cable? Can't we just transport it through any regular vehicle? Well, you guys aren't thinking wrong, but you will think twice once you see the clip. Here we aren't talking about just a regular cable. Here the cable weighs around tons of kilograms, and the vehicle you are seeing here is a specialized tractor, specially made for transportation these kinds of material. Isn't this tractor made you a member of a train? That how two train coaches are connected to each other. In a similar manner, the tractor is wholesome part that has a middle space for keeping the transporting good. It is controlled by the operator. Due to its large size and heavy transport good, it does not have a much greater speed, but neither it is very slow. It might look difficult to operate it, but it's not the actual truth. The engine has a good performance and the material it has been made of is a high quality iron. That is obvious because of the type of goods this vehicle carries. Mammoet Modular Transporter. Mammoet Industries has specialization in different vehicle sectors, in which one of them is this self-propelled modular transporters. Self-propelled transporters doesn't need anyone to move it, they move by themselves. Self-propelled vehicle driven by an internal combustion engine and is used for transportation of passengers and goods. Self-propelled vehicles are those automobiles, motorcycles, aircraft, boats, snowmobiles, trucks, tractors, jet skis, lawnmowers, golf carts, etc. that convert their own energy supply into motive power used for propulsion. Self-propelled modular transporters consist of different modules with 4, 5, 6, and 8 axle lines. The load capacity on each of them differs according to their versions. Each module can be lifted according to its own engine and steering system. The modules can be connected side by side and/or head to tail to form large platforms on wheels. Due to their variety of combinations, self-propelled transporter modules can lift and move virtually every heavy load. These trailers are mainly used for on-site transportation over limited distances. Felbermayr Heavy Chunks. The family-owned company Felbermayr is involved in several fields of business, which complement each other perfectly and which have a strong customer focus, transport and lifting technology on one hand and construction on the other. Felbermayr has been successfully positioned in these market sectors as a full-service provider for many years. With 69 sites in 19 countries, the Felbermayr Group is represented throughout Europe, and its range of products, especially in the field of transport, is successfully marketed throughout the entire world. One of the company's main strengths is realizing complete solutions which have been planned through to the smallest detail. Within the field of transport, the basis for the company's strength lays in the integration of all three transport channels: road, rail, and water. In addition, the extensive spectrum of services includes the disposal of large-scale units, the complete positioning of foundations, port handling, and the storage of super heavy ships that only carries goods. The company mainly specializes in moving and assembling highly complex industrial systems. Additionally, it offers special and heavy haulage as well as a crane hire. A team consisting of competent and highly trained specialists thus ensures individual full-service packages for the industry, as well as machine and plant engineering. Loads of up to 250 tons can be lifted with the help of several haul cranes. The maximum hook height is 11.5 meters, thus offering enough space even for large industrial components and goods. The more we talk about Felbermayr, the long will be the list of its achievements will go. Liebherr LB44. Liebherr's range of products and services have been broad and sophisticated. The vast nature of Liebherr's construction machines program is like no other. Apart from tower cranes of every kind and size and mobile construction cranes, the program includes a broad range of earth-moving equipment with hydraulic excavators. Here on the screen is the super fabulous LB44 rotary drilling rig for special underground engineering projects, and it is one of the most popular representative of the well-known LB series by Liebherr. Unlike its heavy name, this machine is compact and efficient in the external design. It is a very cost-effective machine which has an enormous torque of 510 kilonewton meters. And the rig in this machine has a powerful engine, and besides its heavy-duty nature, it is very easy to operate at the site due to its easy and fast mobilization nature. The rig is equipped with a powerful diesel engine, which convinces through low consumption and reduced emissions, means you are getting a heavy-duty machine with a compact design that uses low fuel and has a lesser emission. Therefore, it is also conserving nature and has a broad hydraulics along with a friendly operator control and can do continuous operations. So if this isn't perfect, then we don't know what else is.